Well done.
Hi everyone, now I'm in Addis Ababa in Ethiopia, and today I want to show you something very useful when you visit Addis Ababa for longer periods of time. If you come and visit Ethiopia, you might encounter three major problems in terms of communications. The first one is that if you have an international telecom service and you come to Ethiopia, it changed to the local service, but you have international SIM card outside of Ethiopia. Even though you join the local network, you might find your signal, your network is quite weak. Sometimes people can't hear you very well. And the second will be that once you check into your hotel, you log on to the Wi-Fi service. Chances are the Wi-Fi service here is quite slow. You might have problem opening sites. You can see the buffering signal just going around, waiting for sites to open. And the third thing is that because the political situation in Ethiopia is changing dynamically, sometimes there are some political issues around the country. In certain situations, they would also block certain social media networks. For example, in this year, February, I had much faster internet, and also I had full social network access here in Ethiopia. But because the political situation is changing, so currently this time when I'm here, I can't log on to my Instagram account. I have problem using WhatsApp. The messages sending out, coming back are all delayed sometimes. You are not even able to sending out messages. Sending SMS, the actual phone messages, will be much easier than WhatsApps if you want to communicate with the locals. So according to these three challenges, I also come up with some solutions for you. The first one, weak phone signals. The second one is slow internet service, Wi-Fi service in the hotels. For these first two challenges, I would suggest you to buy a local SIM card from Ethiopian Telecom. So with a local SIM card, you can get a fast 3G, 4G data networks with a very affordable price. The data service, internet accessing will be much faster than your hotel Wi-Fi service. If you have a local SIM card, if you call other people locally, the signal will be much stronger. So also when you're going around, you want to searching for locations, using navigations, having a local fast internet network will come very handy for your travel here in Addis Ababa. And for the third challenge, to have full social network access, the local solution will be that to get a VPN service. If you're a social media influencer, you want to be visiting Ethiopia and posting beautiful pictures, this will be very useful for you. So just come here, bear in mind that you might encounter this problem. If it's important for you having full access to your social medias, just get prepared, buy a VPN service. And later I'm going to show you step by step how to get your local Ethiopian Telecom SIM card, and also how to top up your card, recharge your service once you come back a month later to reactivate your SIM card. It's actually very easy, but I'm going to show you step by step so you know how to do it. Me and Tasfy here, we're just waiting in queue to get our service. So today the queue is actually not very long. We've been waiting about 5 minutes. Now it's my turn.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we just got our SIM card from the Ethiotelecom. I spent 30 birr, right? It was 30 birr just to buy the SIM card. The process was very easy. Apparently some branches you can wait longer, some branches is less busier, smaller, you can go faster. So I wait about 5 minutes, just sitting there waiting. When it's my turn, I go to the counter. But remember to bring your passport along, your identity card. I passed her my passport, so I was waiting for a bit. My friend Tasfy here helped me out a little bit with the translation. But if you speak English, it's also fine because she also speaks English. I was waiting at the counter. She's working on her computer, inputting my data from my passport. And afterwards, all I need to do was to sign on this electronic pad and also take a picture from her small camel over there. So sign and taking picture. So that's all I finished. In the end, I pay her 30 per cash, and it's done. So the only thing is that if you want to have 4G fast internet card, you have to ask her, because if you don't ask, they will give you 3G card. So default card is 3G. If you want to have fast internet data, just remember to ask. So the card doesn't have a nano size on the SIM card pad. So basically what we do is we went outside. If you go around, there's always this boys hanging out around. They give you basically this cutting SIM card service. They have this cutter and you pay them like a 10 birr, 20 birr, give them a tip. They will cut different size of SIM cards. So that's how it's done.
For English, press 2. Welcome to Ethiotelecom SIM card activation service. To activate your SIM card, press 1. To return. Dear customer, please input the validation code used here. Your validation code is 7419.
Okay. 7419. Okay.
Your number is successfully activated. Thank you.
We just activated my SIM card on the phone. It's very easy. It says I have 15 birr on my account, and later on we're going to buy some airtime. I'm going to show you how to operate and recharge your phone. If this is the first time you buy your SIM card, you can also buy airtime at the counter. We didn't buy at the counter because I want to show you how to recharge on the street. It's very easy. Okay, so on the street you will see these guys where they have a sign like in green color sign at the back. It's written in Amharic, but it's basically saying they are selling airtime phone card. This is the SIM card stand where you can buy airtime. It has different price, and if you see these guys, go ahead and ask them to buy your airtime. They are actually everywhere on the street. You see them a lot. So I buy 100 per airtime. Thank you. So this is what I get. I get this little slip from the Ethiotelecom 100 per. And basically what you do, you have a coin, and then there's a silver phone. You scratch. Get a recharging code over here. Okay, so first you need to press, as it says here on this card, you need to press star 805 star. Yes, that we do here, and then you need to input this code.
This code.
Yes, and then you input the code.
3
and press pound. Yes. Dear customer, result has been sent by short message Ethiotelecom. Here it says, your prepaid card account has been recharged successfully. Your recharge balance is 100 birr. Now what we need to do is to buy internet packages, which is you need to press star 999, right? And then pound.
Yes.
And then you call. From here everything is in English. Select language, and then you reply. Now I'm successfully charged my SIM card, and also I bought internet package. At the moment it's 3G in this area, but later on some area I can get 4G, very fast internet. Driver, guide, a very good friend Tasfy here. So if you ever come to Addis, please, if you need a driver, someone show you around, just contact him. I'm going to leave his number in the description box below. So anytime you come to Addis, you need a driver, guide, a friend, someone show you around, just call him.